Kaneko is a center for creativity and creative exploration.
We've got over 60,000 square feet of gallery space here at Kaneko, and we've been working on the light exhibition for, well over a year, almost 2 years here now.
When people come into the Infinity Room, they're going to be astounded and they're going to be moved by the experience.
I started my journey almost 8 years ago. I was very fortunate to discover video mapping as a storytelling tool, and I was one of the first generation artists who was using projection as a material and architecture as a canvas. So that was my very first project, and during that time I met with Epson too and tried to combine media arts and architecture together to create a new meaning for public space.
Our partnership with Refik goes back years, starting with an exhibition at Infocom that was a joint project between Epson and Refik, and it's grown and it's expanded to include South by Southwest, both here in the United States and in Germany, and to Kaneko in Omaha, where the Infinity Room was featured.
Infinity Room project was independent studies at UCLA, and the challenge for students was find an idea that can be doable, has a deep connection with the concept and technology. So we use engineering skills, production skills, and we make the room 12 by 12 feet cube, and you have a door that you really open it, that you can go inside. We have 4-channel, 12,000 luminance laser projection, all connected to one massive GPU that runs real time. So it's a very complex visuals, and it all come together as a piece of experience. So we have to execute it. So that's why Epson helped on that project to completely nail down.
The big projectors that power the Infinity Room are a little bit unlike what we've had here before because they're just so intense and so powerful. And so we knew when we got a hold of Refik to try to begin our initial discussions of how we could do this. We were just very, very fortunate that Epson responded to our call for help and offered to sponsor this wonderful exhibition by allowing their projectors to be utilized for this Infinity Room.
Laser projection enables innovative visual artists such as Refik to do new things. Laser projection tends to be quieter. You can mount our laser projectors in any number of orientations, and they're much, much brighter for how big they are than they've ever been before.
Nothing really matches the first time that you step into that Infinity Room and the total immersion takes hold. It really is an out-of-body experience. It's exactly what we're after here at Kaneko, and it can only be achieved through this incredible illusion of artistic expression that Refik Anadol and Epson were able to create together.
Art and technology is eventually very naturally blending without forcing anything. Like Epson collaboration, I think the idea of helping the visionary minds to make that happen is a beautiful collaboration without branded concerns. It's truly helping art to be accessible.
The future of Epson's projection technology is very, very exciting. We're continuing to develop brighter and brighter solutions in smaller and smaller chassis. So he and his team are often challenging us to push the envelope on what's possible in projection because they're pushing the envelope by taking on larger and larger scale projects. And we're really excited to see what visual artists such as Refik will continue to do with these projectors.
It won't be possible without the support of these technology companies and minds who are behind them, visionary people meeting with other visionary people to change the world much quickly. This medium has a huge potential. That's where the magic is happening right now.